Good morning student. Once again welcome back in maths class. Today we will do prime factorization. Okay, so how we will do prime factorization? First of all we have to know that what is prime factorization. Okay, so a composite number can be shown as the product of prime factors. This is called prime factorization. When a composite number we write as the product of प्राइम फैक्टर्स. ओके, किसी भी कंपोजिट नंबर को हम प्राइम फैक्टर्स के प्रोडक्ट के रूप में जब हम राइट करते हैं, सो दैट इज कॉल्ड प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन. ओके, नाउ देयर आर टू मेथड्स ऑफ प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन. यहाँ पे आपके पास टू मेथड है प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन फाइंड करने के. वन इज फैक्टर ट्री मेथड एंड सेकंड इज डिवीजन मेथड. बट मोस्टली वी फॉलो डिवीजन मेथड. ओके, mostly in class 6th 7th also you follow the division method, but by two method we can find, by tree method also, by division method also. So I will explain you both method. For example, I am taking a number like 48. Okay, so how you will make factor tree? So first of all what you will do, you will divide 48 in two parts. By tree method we can do by different ways, different trees we can make. Okay, but I am telling you one method, that one we will take prime number and second will come composite, but we will make the tree till we don't get the prime number. जब तक हमें प्राइम नंबर नहीं मिलेंगे तब तक हम ट्री बनाते रहेंगे. ओके, दैट्स वाई दिस इज कॉल्ड ट्री मेथड. ये ट्री की जैसे बढ़ता रहेगा. कब खत्म होगा? when it will be finished, when we get the prime numbers. Okay, so first of all first prime number is 2. So we will see that 48 is divisible by 2 or not. Yes, 48 is divisible by 2 because in one's column 8. So what will we do? We will make here two branch of tree. Okay, like this. Now in this side we will take 2. And now 48 will be divided by 2. So 2 2s are 4 and 2 4s are 8. जो आपका क्वेश्चन होगा that we will write it here. So we will make there 2. We will take here two branch of tree. 48 की हमने two branch निकाल दी. One is 2 and second is 24. 2 multiplied by 24 then we get 48. Now 2 is prime number. जब भी आपका prime number आएगा that branch will be finished. Okay. Now we increase the second one. Till then we don't get here prime number. जब तक हमें यहाँ पे prime number नहीं मिलता है तब तक हम इसको increase करते रहेंगे. So we will see that 24 again divisible by 2. जब तक 2 से divide होगा तब तक हम 2 से करेंगे. When it will be finished by 2, then we will take 3, then we will take 5, then 7, then 11. We will take only prime numbers. We will not take composite number because this is prime factorization. Okay. So now again it is divisible by 2. So we will make here two branch again. Okay. 2. In this side we will take 2. Now 24 divided by 2. So 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. So your quotient will be 12. Okay. Again this is prime number, so this branch will be stop there. जब प्राइम आ जाएगा तब वो स्टॉप हो जाएगी, उसको हम आगे नहीं बढ़ाएंगे. सिर्फ कंपोजिट जब आएगी उसकी 2 2 ब्रांच निकलेगी. सो 12 इज कंपोजिट नंबर. सो अगेन वी मेक 2 ब्रांच. नाउ अगेन इट इज डिविजिबल बाय 2. सो विल डिवाइड बाय 2. 2 6 आर 12. सो हियर विल कम 6. अगेन 6 इज डिविजिबल बाय 2. सो अगेन वी विल डिवाइड इट बाय 2. 2 3s are 6. Now 2 is also prime number and 3 is also. Now in both side we get the prime number. That means our factors are finished. So now it will not increase. When we get in last prime numbers, then our tree will be finished. So what's the prime factorization of this? These all prime numbers should be write in multiplication form. So write here 48 equals to 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by this is 2, then multiply by 3. 2 2 2 2 all the prime numbers we should write. And when we multiply these all prime factors, that should be equal to the number. ये नंबर के इक्वल आना चाहिए इनका प्रोडक्ट, तब आपका प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन करेक्ट है, अदरवाइज दैट इज रॉन्ग. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, and 16 3s are 48. That means our prime factorization is correct. Then multiplication should be equal to the number. So this is called tree method because it is increased like the tree. Tree के जैसे ये बार बार बढ़ रहा है. कब तक बढ़ रहा है? जब तक हमारे पास कंपोजिट नंबर है. प्राइम नंबर्स पे फिनिश हो जाता है, कंपोजिट नंबर रहेगा तब तक ये इंक्रीज होता रहेगा. Okay, then we will do the same number by the division method. So see here, in the division method also we follow the same process and we get the same answer. डिवीजन मेथड भी हम ऐसे ही फॉलो करेंगे और हमारा सेम आंसर आएगा. हम प्राइम नंबर्स लेते रहेंगे जब तक 2 से डिवाइड होगा, 2 से डिवाइड करेंगे. जब 2 से डिवाइड फिनिश हो जाएगा देन वी विल डू बाय 3. ओके, सो नाउ 48 विल राइट हियर डिवाइडेड बाय, नाउ वी विल सी दैट 48 इज डिविजिबल बाय 2. जो डिवाइजर है वो हम खुद चूज करेंगे प्राइम नंबर, और फर्स्ट डिवाइजर हम चूज करेंगे 2. अगर 2 से डिवाइड नहीं होता है तो हम 3 पे जाएंगे, 3 से नहीं होता तो फिर 5, देन 7. लाइक दिस वी हैव टू टेक अवर डिवाइजर. सो नाउ वी विल सी दैट 48 इज डिविजिबल बाय 2, सो विल टेक हियर डिवाइजर 2. नाउ 48 डिवाइडेड बाय 2, सो 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. आप अगर नहीं कर सकते तो आप ऐसे डिवाइड करके भी देख सकते हो, अदरवाइज ओरली यू कैन डिवाइड बिकॉज डिवाइडेड बाय 2 इज वेरी इजी. ओके, देन नेक्स्ट इज अगेन यू विल सी दैट 24 इज अगेन डिविजिबल बाय 2. इसलिए हमने डिविजिबिलिटी रूल्स किए थे कि हम प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन इजीली कर लें. सो विल सी दैट हियर इज 4 in 1's column, so we can do by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Again 12 is divisible by 2, so again we will take here divisor 2. जो क्वोशिएंट आएगा वो नीचे राइट करना है. यहाँ पे डिवाइजर हमें अपनी मर्जी से लेना है जिससे डिवाइड हो जाता है, वो डिवाइजर चूज करना है, और यहाँ पे नीचे हमें क्वोशिएंट राइट करना है. नाउ 2 6 are 12, so 6 will come here. Okay, then again 6 is divisible by 2, so 2 3s are 6. Now 3 will come only in 3 table. Okay, so we'll take here 3 because 3 will not come in 2 table, so 3 1s are 3. लास्ट में हमें यहाँ पे 1 लेके आना है, और 1 को हमें प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन में राइट नहीं करना बिकॉज 1 इज नॉट अ प्राइम नंबर. ओके, सिर्फ हमें लास्ट में यहाँ पे 1 लेके आना है, बट 1 वी विल नॉट राइट एज अ प्रोडक्ट. जो यहाँ पे नंबर है सिर्फ वो हमें एज ए प्रोडक्ट राइट करने हैं, 1 को राइट नहीं करना बिकॉज 1 इज अ नाइदर प्राइम नॉर कंपोजिट. ओके, सो नाउ वी राइट हियर. सो 48 equals to 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 3. Now we will not take here 1. Okay, only these numbers we will take. Now you can multiply and you can check your answer, this is right or wrong. So 2 2 are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 3s are 48. That means we have find correct prime factorization, and you can check from here. There is also the same answer and there is also the same answer. So that means you can use any method but the answer will come same. वन नंबर के सेम ही प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन होते हैं. ये नहीं कि 48 के सब अलग अलग बना सकते, नहीं, 48 के यही प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन होगा, इसके अलावा दूसरा प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन नहीं होगा. वन नंबर के एक ही प्राइम, आप किसी भी मेथड से फाइंड करो बट आपका जो प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन है वो सेम ही आएगा. ओके, so let me start our exercise. Now exercise 3.2, question number 6. Till question 5 we have done already. Now we will start question number 6. Use the factor tree method to find the prime factorization of the given numbers. आपको इनके प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन फाइंड करने हैं जो नंबर आपको दे रखे हैं, एंड यू विल यूज हेयर फैक्टर ट्री मेथड. As I told you, two method, tree method and division method. So question 6 is by tree method. So let me start. A part 88. So we'll make here tree of 88. So we start from here 88. Now 88 we know that it is divisible by 2 because in one's column 8. So we'll make here 2 branches. It is divisible by 2, so we write here 2. 2 is a prime number, we will take first prime number 2. If that is not divisible by 2, then we will take 3. But it is divisible, so we will take here 2. Now multiply by, now 2 fours are 8, 2 fours are 8. 44 multiplied by 2, that is 88. Now we leave it because this is prime number. Now we make the factor of 44. Again it is divisible by 2. So again we will take in one side 2 and in second side we will divide by 2. So 44 will be divided by 2. So 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4. 22 multiplied by 2, that's equals to 44. When we multiply these numbers, so it will be equal to the upper number. Okay. Now again we will see this is prime number, so we leave it. Again 22 is again divisible by 2. So again we will divide by 2. 2. Now here 22 again divided by 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 ones are 2. Okay. 2 11s are 22. Now we will see that 11 is also a prime number. 2 is prime number and 11 is also a prime number. That means all the factors we get. Prime factorization finished. That means we get all the prime factors 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 11. This is the prime factorization of 88. So we write here the prime factorization of 88 equals to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 11. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 11s are 88. Yeah, 11 8s are 88. Okay, so this is the prime factorization of 88. Okay, have you got it? Now we will do its B part. Its B part is 65. So we make prime factorization of 65. So we will see that 65 in one's column there is 5 and 5 is not divisible by 2. So it will be not divisible by 2. Then we check by 3. So for 3 we will do sum of the digits. 6 plus 5 11. 11 also not come in 3 table. So that means this will not come in 3 table also. Now we go on 5. Okay, firstly we check by 2, then we check by 3, now we check by 5. Now it is divisible by 5 because in one's column there is 5. So now we will take in one side 5 and we will divide it by 5. Now in 5 table 5 ones are 5 and 5 3s are 15. 13 5s are 65. Now we will see that 13 is also a prime number, 5 is a prime number and 13 is also a prime number. That means there is finish. Only this 2 prime factorization is there of 65. So we write here the prime factorization of 65 equals to 5 multiplied by 13. That's your answer, only that much. So like this you can do all parts. C, D, E you will do yourself. Like this you will make the tree. Okay, now we will do question number 7. Now question number 7. Use the division method to find the prime factorization of the given numbers. In question 7 you will use division method. In question 6 you use tree method. And here you will use division method to find the prime factorization. Okay. So let me start A part. A part is given here 75. So we find by division method prime factorization. So here we will take a division. We will take 75 here. Now you see that 75 will not come in 2 table because in one's column 5. Now let me check by 3. So 7 plus 5, that is 12. 12 come in 3 table. That means 75 will also come in 3 tables. So we will take here 3. Now in 3 table, firstly 7 divided by 3, 3 2s are 6. 1 will be left, 7 minus 6, 1, and with 1 we will take 5. So it will be 15. Orally how you will divide? One digit you will divide. So 3 2s are 6, 7 minus 6, आप ऐसे ही divide करते देखो 75 divided by 3, 3 2s are 6. So whatever our quotient we are writing here, क्योंकि हमें quotient यही write करना है. अब हमने orally minus कर लिया 7 minus 6 1, because whenever we divided by 3, so we get the remainder 0, 1 or 2. From these we get the remainder. So there is remainder 1, and with 1 we will take next digit 5. So it will be 15. Now in 3 table, where is 15? 5 number. 3 5s are 15. So we get our quotient 25. So orally you can divide by 3, by 2, by 3, because when we divide by 2, so we get the remainder 0 or 1. When we divide it by 3, then we get the remainder 0, 1 or 2. So we are not getting the big remainders. Now next, again we will check by 3. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 not come in 3 tables, so that means it is not divisible by 3. So let me check by 5. So it is divisible by 5 because in one's column 5. So divide by 5. Our divisor we selected 5. Now in 5 table, where is 25? At the 5 number, 5 5s are 25. Now 5 is a prime number, so it will come only in the 5 table. So now we take here again 5, 5 1s are 5. So in the last we get here 1. So that means our prime factor is finished. So we write here the prime factorization of 75 equals to 3 multiply by 5 multiply by 5. 5 5s are 25 and 25 3s are 75. So we get our answer 75. आपको ऐसी लाइन लगाने की जरूरत नहीं है, आप साइड का यूज कर सकते हैं. सिर्फ 2 पार्ट आप साइड में कर सकते हैं. 1 part here and 1 part in second side. Okay, because I am not having so much space on the board, so that's why I take it 3 parts. But आपको ऐसे congested नहीं करना है, आपको सिर्फ sides का यूज करना है. One question in this side and second question in that side. Okay, so take care about that. Now 21. 21, we will find of 21. So as we know, this is not divisible by 2 because in one's column 1. So now we check by 3. So in 3 table we have 21. So take here 3. 3 7s are 21. Now 7 is a prime number, so it will come only in the 7 table. So 7 1s are 7. Finish. We get here 1. So again our prime factorization is finished. So we write here the prime factorization of 21 equals to 3 multiply by 7. हमें 1 को write नहीं करना है because 1 is not prime number. 3 7s are 21. So finish. Now C part is 128. So find out 128. 128. So you see that in one's column 8, so it is divisible by 2. So we'll take on 2. Now 1 will not come into table, so we take here 12. 2 6 are 12 and 2 4s are 8. So divide हो गया. Now again it is divisible by 2 because in one's column 4. So again we divide by 2. Now 6 divided by 2, 2 3s are 6 and 2 2s are 4. Again in one's column 2, so again divisible by 2. Now there is 3, 2 1s are 2. Now 3 minus 2, 1. And with 1 2 it's become 12. So 2 6 are 12. 16 2s are 32. आप ऐसे वेरीफाई भी करते चलेंगे. 32 2s are 64. 64 2s are 128. Okay. Now again 16, 6 in one's column, so again it is divisible by 2. 2 8s are 16. Now again 8 is divisible by 2. 2 4s are 8. Now again 4 is divisible by 2. 2 2s are 4. Then 2 1s are 2. आपको डिवाइड करना है, कोशेंट यहाँ लिखते चलना है, हम कोशेंट राइट करें. अब 2 की टेबल में 16 कहाँ था? 8. So we write here 8. Into table where is 8? On 4. Into table where is 4? On 2. Into table where is 2? On 1. So here we are writing quotient. Okay? And in last we get 1. So that means our prime factorization is finished. So we write here the prime factorization of 128 equals to 2 multiplied by 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 2. How many times 2? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 2 से 7 times multiply हुआ है हमारे पास. Okay, so we write here 2 multiply by 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 2. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. When we multiply them, then we will get the answer 128. You can check also. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. Now we can leave it here. Then again we multiply them. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 16 8s are 128. So you get your answer 128. So like this you have to solve. Okay, thank you.